Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 16.1 question number 5. Find the values of the letters in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. Let us find the values. Here we'll solve this question in this way. Here you see AB into 3 is equal to CAB, CA and B. Right? Here you see the multiplication of 3 and B. The multiplication the multiplication the multiplication the multiplication of 3 and B 3 and B gives B again. Right? Hence B must be 0 or 5. B must be 0 or 5. Let B is equal to 5. B is equal to 5. The first multiplication of first step multiplication of first step multiplication of first step is equal to 3 into 5 is equal to 15. What will we carry for the next step? 1 will be carry for the next step will be carry for the next step for the next step. We have 3 into A plus 1 3 into A plus 1 is equal to CA. This value CA this is not possible for n value of A. This is not possible. This is not possible. This is not possible for any value of A. For any value of A. Now let us take B as 5. Let us take B is equal to 5. B is equal to 5 we have taken. Let us take B is equal to 0. B is equal to 0. Now if we take B is equal to 0, then we are getting A, B is 0. Let us take B as 0. If we take B as 0, multiply 3, then we are getting 3 into 0 is 0, and 3 into A is CA. 3 into A is equal to CA. 3 into A, 3A is equal to CA. Three equal to CA. If we cut A, we are getting C is equal to 3. C is equal to now we are getting, here you see, that is we are getting the value like this, that is 3A is equal to CA. Here we are writing 3A is equal to CA. That is, once digit of 3 into A, once digit of 3 into A should be A. That is the ones digit. That is the ones digit. That is the one digit. That is the ones digit of 3 into A, of 3 into A. 3 into A should be A. Should be A. Because here it is A. Right? Therefore, you can find this is possible only when A is equal to 5 or 0. Either 5 or 0. 5 or 0. A cannot be 0 because 0 into 0 3 is 0, but this is different thing. Right? Here A cannot be 0. A will not be equal to 0. That if we take A is equal to 5, take A is equal to 5, A is equal to 5, then we are getting 5, 0 into 3, then we are getting 3 0 0, 3 5 0 15. Therefore here we are getting A is equal to 5 and C is equal to 1. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, and C is equal to 1. That is the answer. A equal to 5, B equal to 0, and C is equal to 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.